Everybody, it's Ducart here. Installation day. Beautiful sunny day. One last look at the roof. No panels on it. Certainly won't be looking like that. Cool. And here we are, all ready to go. All ready to rock and roll. Battery's getting the final charge before the command center is installed. It's got 4 hours to go to equalise that last string. Control room's ready. All ready to rock and roll. All good. Trench has been dug. That was not easy. That was a long way down. Anyway, that's apparently the legal depth. She's all good to go. I reconfigured this battery here. Let's see what the Sparkies think. But it did have the draw-offs here and here, and I've rewired it so they're there. The idea being then you could jump straight across to that battery, then across to that one, and then out through the wall. But we'll see how that goes today. I can always put it back the way it was if need be. Fans are in. So, we are good. At the back here, ventilation's all ready. There's a lot more of it now, all the way down. So, good to go. I don't know if you can hear that. But that's the sound of the wire going through the roof. Panels being installed. Full on. Right, here you see all this power has been taken from here over to the power shed, up across the roof, right to the other side of the house. Quite a big job. Here's a big solar install van. It's all going quite well. There's the guys up on the roof, putting it all together. Alright, it's all happening now. Here's the panels. Well, some of them. And a bunch of guys in this room putting shit together. Trench just got bigger. Here's all the gear. Alright, the install is going quite well. Everyone's breaking for lunch. The circuit breakers are in there. They've gone through to the battery room. That's the SP Pro, the brains of the system, the grid inverter. Pretty cool, hey? If you come through here, you'll see a huge cable here, runs right around, all the way back up and out there. So we're getting there. There go the panels. $40 and I'll sign it. Still going? Alrighty then, there's the installation. Partly done. More to go. There's 12 panels up on that side of the roof already. Another 12 to go up. Coming along nicely. Weather's a bit of a pain, but should hopefully be all completed tomorrow.